What's going on, guys? We're taking a look at Arcblock this morning, the 28th of February. Arcblock had a decent pullback here and potentially getting ready for a liftoff. We're going to talk about some upper prices for that if it takes place. This is Arcblock /USDT Tether, ABTUSDT daily chart, Gate.io, the provider here on tradingview.com. Guys, let's jump into it. So you can see we have a pullback here, which so far has been finding support at one of our levels, which is 163,800. $1.63,800 is the area of support. Let's go to the 3-minute real quick, then we'll jump back into a daily. So we have the 3-minute time frame here. And check out the pullback that we got perfectly right to what level? $1.63,800 before getting pushed right back up. And we'll see this wedge here looks like it's going to break up, take us back up to $1.98,400. Let's go back to a daily. Welcome to the channel, all of the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys. Hope you're enjoying and doing well in these markets. So you can see we had this pennant pattern drawn here. We actually broke to the downside. And so if that was the case, we'd look for support at one of our levels, first being 163,800, which is where it's finding support. So far today, we have not gotten down there. So maybe we are ready for a little move higher today after yesterday's pullback. We have two new targets to talk about above the market for Arcblock. Nothing crazy, but they are valid new targets. We will start with number one being, so real quick before we get into, so we had this initial move here, pullback, breakout. Initial move, pullback. Question is, do we get another breakout? So if we do, then we're going to talk about the targets that we currently have. So our first new target, not from the last video, which would be $2.45, takes us right above these highs here, $2.45. It's in orange, it kind of blends in, but the price is $2.45. We are currently trading at $1.75. That would take you up on a percentage gain, or at least percentage paper profits of about 40%. So a 40% move is the first area, the first new target that I would look for some little bit of pushback from the markets. The next area would be $2.78,100, so $2.78. That's an orange up here as well. That's above the 271 target that was in the last video. So $2.78,100, and that takes the price, if you were sitting on some paper profits, roughly 58, 57% higher from where we are currently at. And that can happen quick if this thing starts to break out. I mean, we've seen ABT move 100+% in a day or two. So, you know, you're talking 40 to 50% move targets. I mean, that's really nothing for this thing. It is very, very capable. So we'll see, guys. Something I would watch would be you want to see this support hold. So if I really zoom in here on the chart, the support we have right now at $1.63,800 on this candle, the 27th of February. So far today, we did not get down there. That's a good sign. Maybe we're starting that next leg higher. If we start to see this low tested and it doesn't find support, we're heading lower, guys. Our next level below the 163,800 is $1.49,800 right here in yellow. And it's very possible that's tested. So keep an eye on that. That starts to get you back into these high candle wicks. That was resistance in the past. And then next step below that would be $1.36 200, 136,200 for Arcblock / USDT tether. So that first move, 149,800, if the lows are taken out, you're looking at about a 14% move in the red. And then the next one, $1.36, about a 21% move in the red. So keep your eye on 163,800 for it to hold. If we start to rally and we get above the recent levels, which are $1.98,400, 243. That new target, like I said, is $2.45. And then above that, 253, 271. And then once again, the next new target would be 278, 100. Guys, so that's for Arcblock / USDT tether, a daily chart, Gate.io on tradingview.com. Guys, appreciate you new subscribers and all of the current viewers and subscribers. If you are not yet joined, go ahead and join us. All links are always down below. We got some merch down there. Check that out. Appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts on Arcblock. Is this thing getting ready for another leg to the upside? So far, we have some support. It's nice to see. And we have some new upper targets. Guys, take care.